It's like quarters, you know.
All right, so this is what you call honey toast, and it's got characters on the top. I don't know who they are exactly, but they're edible. You can let's see what that little guy tastes like. Oh, it's like a gelatin, some sort of gelatin, like a Jello. Tastes good. Good texture. Let's see what this toast is all about. I don't even know how to do this. Wow, that is delicious. It's got like a crusty shell on the outside and soft and it's like caramelized. So good. Yeah, turn this off while I devour this.